So welcome back to my Blackstone Griddle. I'm going to show you the cleanup process for when you get through, like in this instance I cooked a batch of burgers and the griddle of course is quite messy. I'm going to show you how quickly this thing cleans up. Really easy, and that's why I love it so much, is because I don't like to spend a lot of time cleaning up. So we'll get started. With the griddle still running, or still on and good and hot, you can take water to put on it and it'll just steam off, and that gives you that kind of cleans the residual stuff off. So you wait for a few seconds for it to sizzle away. Put your protective glove back on. Take your paper towel, and you can just wipe it down. To be your own special smile, you should never leave me, just you and me. Alright, and so we've wiped off all the gunk. We're going to come back and season it with a little, I use peanut oil. While it's still on and hot, I'll spread it out some with another paper towel. I use a lot of paper towels, but this can just spread it out nicely over the whole griddle. It'll be ready for you to cook on the next time without any kind of worries. You let it smoke for a little bit. I know smoking is not good for you, but for the griddle, sometimes it is. So that wraps up this edition of Blackstone Griddle Cleanup. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Have a nice day.